Yeah, are you awake too? Are you awake eating the grape, huh? Say it's after 1 a.m. and you just woke up from a nap, didn't you? So you played a long time and you had to take your nap and you just woke up, didn't you? So you're a little night owl too, aren't you? Is that grape good, huh? Yum yum. Yeah, look how you're getting fat and healthy. Looky there. Yeah. Hey, I love you. I'm glad you're awake to visit with me. You want a carrot? Look here. Look here. You want a carrot? You want a carrot? Yum yum. There you go. A carrot. Yeah. You want to touch my finger, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. You like to touch my finger and stuff. Yeah. Say it's me. It's my mom. It's my mom. Yeah. Yeah. Here's my baby. Here. Here, take a carrot. Yum yum. Yum yum. No, you want my finger, don't you? I'm going to put this in there on your plate. Okay? I'm going to put them in there on your plate. You've been chewing on your plate, haven't you? There's you 5 of them. Okay. I love you. You eat more than I do, don't you? You eat all the time. And I can't remember to eat. Yeah. I love you. Say, see? It don't bite its mom, does it? No. It's not mean. It's not mean to me, are you? No. Yeah. See? It sniffs. It knows who I am, don't you? And you jump at everybody else's fingers and try to grab them, and they get scared, don't you? Hmm? You scare the big giant people, don't you? And yours just the little things. You'll climb some more in the middle of the night. Your purse is shiny. Looky there. You like to pick stuff out of there to eat what you want, don't you? You got your doggy down in there. And your fish, or whale, whatever it is. You took them out of there. Oh, your bed, didn't you? And then you'll be taking them back up there, won't you? I love you. I love you, baby. Looky, come here. Yeah, my baby. Can't get you out right now. Yeah. He knows it's me. He knows I won't hurt it, don't you? Yeah. Come here. Come on, baby. Come. You want to play, don't you? Nibble on my fingers. It wants to play. Yeah. It wants to play. Yeah. There you go. Here, baby. Looky there. I'm not going to open your door because you'll come run out. And you hate to go back in, don't you, when you get out? Oh, how cute that is. How cute was that? Yeah. Look here. Hey, baby. Hey, Ducky. Ducky. You want to get your carrots? Yep. Just going to eat his carrots. Like a little rabbit, aren't you? Well, what'd you do? Drop it? You dropped it. But there's your... Here, I'll get it. But you got more in there. Here, baby. Here. Yum, yum. Looky. Here it is. You dropped it, didn't you? Eat it like a little rabbit does. Hold it. Got it? So it won't fall down. That. Oh, I'm wore out. There you go. Got his carrot. See, I'm just going to be a little Bugs Bunny rabbit and eat the carrot. I can't stand that any longer. Oh. You have growed, haven't you, honey? Get you a drink of water. Go get up in your bed. Gonna go night-night. Time for bed. Night-night. I'm gonna turn the light off. Nighty-night. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh. Night. Night-night. Gonna go get in your bed. Get in your bed. Get in your bed. Go beddy bye. Oh Lord. Yeah, hurry. Back down. Oh.